Mendy here with my insurance claim expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. If you've had a plumbing leak, burst pipe, or water damage, stop what you're doing. Don't call your insurance company just yet. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how hiring a public adjuster can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches when dealing with plumbing claims. See, plumbing issues aren't just a minor nuisance. A burst pipe can destroy walls, flooring, cabinets, even your personal belongings. And here's the kicker. Most homeowners don't even realize how fast the damage spreads or how expensive it is to fix. We're talking thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. Insurance companies may only want to pay for part of that. That's where the fight begins. Insurance companies have adjusters working for them. Their job? To save the insurance company money, not to make sure you're paid fairly. They may blame you for the damage, say it's wear and tear, or lowball your payout. Sounds familiar? That's because it happens all the time. And if you don't know the ins and outs of your policy, you're already at a disadvantage. See, that's where Panther Public Adjusting steps in. As public adjusters, we work for you, the homeowner. We inspect the damage, we document everything, understand your policy inside and out, and we negotiate to get you the maximum payout you deserve. See, whether it's hidden leaks, slab leaks, pipe bursts, or water damage behind the walls, we know how to prove the full extent of the damage, and we fight to make sure it's covered. Unfortunately, Florida homes are especially vulnerable. Between aging plumbing systems, high humidity, insurance companies cracking down more than ever, you need someone in your corner. So, whether you're in Miami, Tampa, Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, or anywhere in the Sunshine State, Panther Public Adjusting is here to help you. Hey, so if you've had any kind of plumbing damage, don't go it alone. Call Panther Public Adjusting and let the pros handle your claim the right way. I'm Mendy with my insurance claim expert, and we're here to help you take back control of your insurance claim. So do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've ever had issues with the plumbing claim. I'd love to hear your story.